What's up, everyone? Today, we're going to dive into one of the most isolated and fascinating places on Earth, New Zealand. Known for its stunning landscapes and rich history, New Zealand is also home to some of the most unique animals you won't find anywhere else in the world. So, let's jump into 5 incredible creatures that call this beautiful country home. First up, we have the Kiwi, a national symbol of New Zealand and one of the most iconic birds on the planet. But did you know that these birds are actually flightless? With their long, slender beaks and their soft, fuzzy feathers, Kiwis are nocturnal creatures, spending their nights hunting for insects, worms, and even small fruits. And here's a fun fact. The Kiwi lays eggs that are almost the same size as its body. Talk about an impressive egg-to-bird ratio. Sadly, the Kiwi population is dwindling due to introduced predators like rats and stoats, so conservation efforts are super important to keep this adorable bird around for future generations. Next, we have the Hector's dolphin. With its distinctive round dorsal fin and small size, this dolphin is the smallest marine dolphin species in the world. They are found only off the coast of New Zealand, primarily in the South Island. Sadly, these dolphins are considered endangered due to habitat loss and entanglement in fishing nets. There are fewer than 7,000 left in the wild, so every sighting of one is pretty special. But there's hope. Conservationists are working hard to protect these unique creatures, and there are now marine sanctuaries dedicated to keeping their waters safe. Now, meet the Takahe, a giant flightless bird that was once thought to be extinct. Discovered in 1847, the Takahe was later believed to have disappeared after European settlers arrived, but in 1948, it was rediscovered in Fiordland. These birds are herbivores, grazing on native plants, and they have a strong, muscular build. With bright green feathers and a striking blue head, they're pretty hard to miss. Today, Takahe are considered a symbol of New Zealand's conservation efforts. They've been successfully bred in captivity and slowly reintroduced into the wild, but they're still vulnerable, so they rely on protected sanctuaries to survive. Flying high in the skies, we have the New Zealand Falcon, or Kārearea. This agile predator is a true marvel of nature. Unlike many other birds of prey, the Kārearea hunts in forests and mountains, and it can reach speeds of over 200 kilometers per hour while diving for prey. That's faster than most jets. These birds are skilled hunters, taking down small mammals and birds, including the invasive species that threaten New Zealand's ecosystems. The Kārearea is a true symbol of New Zealand's wild beauty and strength. And last but certainly not least, we have the Tuatara, a living fossil that's been around for over 200 million years. It might look like a lizard, but the Tuatara is actually the last surviving member of an ancient group of reptiles called Rhynchocephalia. This species is found only in New Zealand, primarily on a few offshore islands, and it's got some pretty weird and wonderful traits. For starters, the Tuatara has a third eye on top of its head. Now, this eye doesn't see like the others, but it's sensitive to light and helps the Tuatara regulate its body temperature. Pretty strange, huh? So, there you have it, 5 of the most unique animals in New Zealand. From flightless birds to ancient reptiles, New Zealand's wildlife is unlike anything else on Earth. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more fun facts and cool content. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite New Zealand animal? Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.